Hi guys, today we are gonna be unboxing the foldable collapsible electric cooker, and I just got this today. This is a 110 to 220 or 240 volts, which is I could use this when I go to the Philippines. So let's go open this up, and the box is foldable collapsible electric cooker, not a pot but a stomach. I don't know what it means, but anyhow, I got a bag. And here's the power. Ooh, looky. Now, take a look at that one. This is what it looks like. This is the cooker. So, let's open this up. That's the cover. And this is the steamer. Just pull this up. There it is. That's what the pot looked like. So I'm gonna read on the bottom. It says 110 volts to 240 volts. And there is this nut here at the back where you can just switch off to either 110 if you want to use this here in America. And then you just switch it back to 240 if you want to use this in the Philippines. Look at that. Good for two-person if you want to cook rice or soup or, or just boiled water. And then you can steam some vegetables like that. And then that's your top right here. Now let's try this. So right here, this is our switch. The switch is pointing towards 100 to 120 volt. So right here you have 100 to 120 volt or 220 to 240 volt. So if you want to use this in the Philippines, switch that to 220 to 240. So it is currently at 100 to 120. Let's go ahead and use this and let's test this baby. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the boiling water already. All right, let's plug this in. I already have some vegetables. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's starting to boil already. So let's put that in here.
Yeah, there.
So we're putting some chicken bouillon powder. So let's put the carrots first. So let's put some chicken.
Driving to the Philippines when I go back?
Depends how I feel, maybe not. All right, looks like our pot is boiling. We can go ahead and add vegetables. What do you think, Ederlina? Should we put the vegetables?
Go squeeze the thing. Yeah, you can.
What squeeze the thing?
You add the carrots and beans too. Because beans, it takes forever.
Beans takes forever too? It's
so
true.
Anyway, go on.
And you do last the bok choy. I like the baby bok choy.
Yeah, I do too.
This is probably
just right.
La, look at this.
You can add potato in that one. So wow, 3-in-1 dish na.
Right. Oh, what about rice?
Yeah, you can add that too. Rice or wild rice.
Oh wow.
More fancy. Yeah.
Okay, let's go and boil them for another 5 minutes.
Yeah,
you think?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Then
Let's go ahead and add the vegetables. Look at this, Ederlina. Holy moly! Ooh, smells good. Pidina, we can add the vegetables. Yum! This is perfect when you're in the hotel. You can't go anywhere. You're stuck in quarantine hotel. Then add a little bit of onions. I'm gonna add some, what do you call that? Pepper.
possible. That's pretty clever.
Fish sauce. We're gonna use this fish sauce Crabtree. This is my favorite one.
Oh, that's what
I like that, yeah. So let's gonna drop maybe just a teaspoon of this. Not that much. And then a little bit of minced onion. And garlic and pepper. You will be my judge, Adelina. I want you to taste this for me. Adelina, try this. Try this. What it tastes like?
Yeah, 4 spoon.
Okay, what does it taste like?
Tastes good though.
Does it need more salt?
No, it's up to you. Tastes just right.
Tastes like chicken soup?
Yeah. You can put a little bit of broth, the bouillon, but it's
chicken
up to
bouillon?
you.
Chicken.
You can judge. You can be judged. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, we're gonna try. We just made some chicken vegetables, and I want Adelina to try it first. Is this too small? You want bigger than
No,
this?
this is just right though. I want the small one.
You want the small one?
So you don't need to wash dishes.
Yeah, it works so well.
This is like good for 2 people.
Right, when you're in the hotel, right? You're stuck in a hotel, quarantine hotel, and you need some soup, like hot boiling soup at night.
Yeah, the soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
You can, but it's up to you.
I don't need soy sauce anymore. It's already very salty.
For you? I'll
Yeah.
do this right now.
It tastes very, very
Then you
chicken.
can also add. No, that's it.
We're gonna add some sesame oil. Let's find some victims, like your husband. Have him try this.
I think he's gonna like it. See that the fragrance would be
The sesame is so good.
yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, I told you. Just have to be creative.
Mmm.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Now wait, let me find some victim to try this, okay? Come over here. You are my first victim.
With her vlogs.
All right.
This is what we're looking.
So chicken vegetables with whatever.
Bok choy.
Bok choy, carrots. That's it.
Bok choy soup.
Yeah, I'm full.
You want to try the meat?
I don't know. Right now, I think I'm pretty full.
You go over there.
Am I gonna be recorded?
You are recorded. Okay, tell me, Jem, what do you think of this soup?
It's hot.
I like
Oh,
it.
it's very good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Hey, you gotta eat Aurora before it's gone.
You gotta eat
This
some
is
more.
what
There's a
I'm
lot of
craving
chicken in
earlier.
there.
Is this from scratch?
Yes,
Am I in the Aurora channel now?
we are in our Aurora's channel. Yes,
The Aurora Borealis channel?
yes.
There. I'm already full from eating.
What about soup? The gravy.
Well, this is really come handy for. You know, you Aurora, you can also if you don't have to pre-cut, you just have to buy frozen.
Right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I would.
Thank you, Jem.
You're welcome.
It's so good. Okay guys, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.